Why do I say another day in paradise?
Because you have a great attitude every day.
I try. Stay with me, don't worry. So listen to me, it's another day in paradise because I choose this to be paradise. Now, is this really Hawaii? Are we in Hawaii? Well, look, it's a matter of mindset. So my mindset says every day, thank you, give Henry a round of applause. You're good. I'm going to pull you up again. Listen to me. It's another day in paradise is a mindset. It is a belief system. Now, let me tell you something about belief systems. How we handle our individual situations determine how we see the world.
Trying to figure out how do I get that negative energy out of my mind and out of my heart? Because how I see me helps me to be my best friend or my worst enemy. Why? Because how...
What did you say?
I heard him say it doesn't, like, as long as you're happy with yourself, then it doesn't really matter what other people say.
Excellent. Give her a round of applause.
He has no arms.
Listen up. This is important.
Now he's got to kneel down. Can he get that $50?
Okay.
You can. Wait, you got to stay kneeled down? You got to stay kneeled down. You have 3 minutes.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now. Listen up. Work without. Are you with me? All right, now. Why? You are important.
You are
Only you are you.
Only you are you.
Understand who you are.
Understand who you are.
Does that work, Mr. Johnson?
Do me a favor. 10 people stand up. 10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Look at each other. If you're not standing up, look at every one of the people standing up. Are they the same? Do they look the same? Are they the same height? They have the same hair color? Are they the same gender? Do they dress alike? No. They're all different. Okay, you can have a seat. Thank you. And that's what makes this world really special and fun. How boring would it be if we all looked alike, acted alike, dressed alike, talked alike? It'd be pretty boring. What's neat is that we all are individuals, and we all should value each other and value the gifts that we have for each other.